Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Saurabh. I am a yoga teacher from Bangalore, India. Now I live in Barcelona. Thanks so much for joining this practice today with me. This flow is designed to boost our energy. It is perfect for the mornings or any time you want to be resetting. We find a comfortable position. We keep hands on the knees. We look straight ahead. We take a deep breath in as we begin, breathing out through the mouth. Once again, taking a deep breath in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. One last time, breathing in, breathing out through the mouth. Natural flow of the breath, returning to the breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Beautiful. We start in a tabletop position from here. Adjust yourself. We find our way. We bring hands down and knees down, feet down. Hip width distance between the knees and shoulder width distance between the hands. We bring the knees in the same line as the hips. So hips above the knees, the hands below the shoulders. We start with cow and cat pose. Breathing in, stomach down, chest down, rolling the shoulder back, lifting the head, looking up into cow pose. 3, 2, keep breathing. 1, breathing out, round your spine, go to cat pose, Marjariasana, chin towards the chest. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, stomach down, chest down, rolling the shoulder back, lifting the head into cow pose. 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, rounding the spine, cat pose, Marjariasana. 3, 2, 1. Last time, breathing in, stomach down, chest down, roll shoulder, lifting the head, looking up. 3, 2, 1. Exhaling, rounding the spine, squeezing the glutes, chin to the chest. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, come back, center, tabletop position. Tuck the toes on the mat. Exhale, lift hips up into downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Slight bend in knees are good. Now start pedaling the feet, allowing one leg to be straight, one leg to be bent. Lifting the hips up towards the ceiling, looking between the toes. 3, 2, 1. Slowly breathing in, walk your legs front between the hands, feet together, arch your spine, lift your head halfway, half forward fold. Breathing out, now press the chest, full forward fold, slight bend in knees, pressing chest, forehead into the knees, hands next to feet. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, hands up from the front, lengthen the spine, join palms at the top, look up towards the palms, upward salute. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, hands down from the front, gently relax, hands release next to the body. We start 2 rounds, sun salutation A, Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, hands up from front, join palms, look up to the palms, upward salute. Breathing out, bending down, forward, standing forward fold. 2. Inhale, arch your spine, halfway, half forward fold. 3. Exhale, hands down, both legs back, full plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, inhale, upward, facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, lift hips up, downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, walking your legs front between the hands, feet together, arch, look front, half forward fold. Breathe out, press the chest, full forward fold. Inhale, hands up from front. Lengthen spine. Join palms, look up, upward salute. Exhale, hands down from the front, gently release. Inhale, hands up, all the way once again. Join palms, look up, upward salute. Exhale, bending down, forward, standing forward fold, pressing chest, forehead in. Inhale, arch, look front, halfway, half forward fold. Exhale, hands down, both legs back, full plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward, facing the Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, lift hips up, downward facing dog, lifting hips up, pressing chest to the thighs. Slight bending knees are always good. Lifting hips up again, 3. Inhale, exhale, looking between toes, 2, 1. Breathing in, walking your legs front between the hands, feet together, arch, look front, half forward fold. Breathe out, press the chest, full forward fold. Inhale, hands up, all the way, join palms, look up, upward salute. Exhale, hands down, gently release. Breathing in, hands up from front, all the way, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend the knees, push your hips back, going into chair pose. Exhale, bending down, forward, standing forward fold, pressing chest, forehead in. Inhale, arch, halfway, half forward fold. Exhale, hands down, both legs back, full plank, stay here. 3. Hip width distance between feet. 2. 1. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Feel free to bring knees down and go down all the way. Inhale, upward, facing dog. Roll, shoulders, squeeze glutes, lift head, look up. Exhale, lift hips up. Downward, facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg up towards the ceiling, lifting the right leg up. 3. 3-legged, downward facing dog. 2. 1. Exhale, right foot between the hands. If the leg does not come, use your hand, push it front. Left leg, foot in 45 degrees. So we drop the left heel down. Inhale, hands up from front. Warrior 1, bend the right knee. Join palms, look up. 3, 2, 1. From here we go into warrior 2. Exhale, hands at shoulder level. Left toes opens, keeping 90 degrees, hands at shoulder level, hip down, right knee bends, look to the right middle finger. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, reverse warrior, lifting the right hand up, left hand towards the left leg, right bicep next to the right ear, hip down, right knee bends. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, swing, coming into triangle, right leg straight, right hand towards the right leg, left hand up towards the ceiling, looking up. 3, 2, 1. Bending the right knee, right hand inside the right foot. Feel free to use a block here. Hand can be on the block, looking up. Extended side angle pose. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Both hands down inside the right foot. Right leg slides a little more out. Shoulder width distance between hands. Lizard lunge. Lift your head. Look straight. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Full plank. Inhale. Exhale. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale. Upward. Facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Lift hips up. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Left leg up to the ceiling. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Left leg between the hands. Right foot in 45 degrees. Inhale. Hands up. Warrior 1. Hip down. Left knee bends. Join palms at the top. Look up. 3. Both legs strong, steady. 2. Right leg straight. 1. Exhale. Warrior 2. Right toes pointing towards the right side. Hands at shoulder level. Breathe in, breathe out. Look to the left fingers. 3. Hip down, left knee bends. 2, 1. Breathe in, reverse warrior. Right hand to the right leg. left hand, bicep next to the left ear. Breathe in, breathe out, hip down, left knee bends. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, swing, triangle pose, left leg straight, left hand to the left leg, right hand goes up, looking up towards the right hand. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, left knee bends, left hand inside the left foot. Slowly, right hand opens, right chest opens, looking up. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right hand down, inside the left foot. Both hands inside, left leg slides outside. Shoulder width distance, right on the mat. Lift head, look straight, lizard lunge. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, left leg back, full plank. Inhale, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward, facing dog. Squeeze, glutes roll, shoulder, lift head, look up. Exhale, lift hips up. Downward facing dog. Superb. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathing in, walk your legs front between the hands. Slowly, feet together. Arch, look front, half forward fold. Breathe out, press the chest. Full forward fold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come to chair pose. Bend the knees. Sweep your arms up from the front. Lengthen the spine. Look straight. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bend down. Forward, standing forward fold. Inhale, arch, half forward fold. Exhale, hands down. Both legs back. Full plank. Hip width distance. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward, facing dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, lift hips up. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3, 2, 1. Now we have option to stay here or we jump forward outside the feet. 3 times. Bend the knees. Exhale, jump. Lift your head, look straight. Exhale, jumping back. Full plank. Hip width distance, lift hips up, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, jump. Going into lift. Inhale, exhale, jump back. Go back, downward facing dog. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, jump. Lift the head, look straight. Exhale, jumping back. Going back, downward facing dog. 3, beautiful. 2, 1. Cross the legs slowly, walking the legs forward, then toes opposite to the wrist. Toes opposite to the wrist. Sitting down, both legs go straight. Dandasana, stick pose. Adjust yourself. Feet together, slide bend in knees. Inhale, hands up, lengthen spine. Breathing out, bending down, forward, seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Try to lead with the stomach, with the chest. Hands come side of the feet, holding feet, pressing the chest, forehead in. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, hands up all the way. Lengthen the spine. Breathe out, relax, hands down, release. We bend the right knee, right foot next to the left knee, right hand behind at the center of the spine. Breathe in, left hand up from the front. Breathing out and twist towards the right left tricep, outside the right knee, twisting and looking back over the right shoulder. Left leg, left toes engaged, looking back, staying here. 3, Ardha Vakrasana. 2, 1. Breathing in, come back, left hand goes up. Breathe out, relax, left hand down. Inhale, exhale, right leg straight. Left knee bends, left foot next to the right knee. Left hand behind. Inhale, right hand goes up. Exhaling, twist, tricep outside the left knee. Opening left chest, left shoulder, looking back. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg engaged, right toes pointing up. Breathe in, breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come back. Right hand goes up, lengthen. Breathe out, right hand down. Inhale, exhale, left leg straight. Now we cross the legs, normal cross-legged seated position. Head, neck back in a neutral way. Look straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring the palms together in Namaste. Keep eyes closed. Feeling the energy moving through yourself. Staying with this positive, clear, and vibrant energy within. Gently blink your eyes, open your eyes. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you enjoyed your practice. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, or like and comment if you enjoyed your practice. Thank you.